Okay, I just wanted to show how I got this sink working. Really cheap. I just used a boat bilge pump. So I got hot water, cold water. That's going to these lines where it's split at the washer dryer. So you got one cold line going to the washer, one cold line going to the sink, one hot line going to the washer, one hot line going to the sink. And those are cheap adapters from Home Depot. And then to get it, the drain is elevated. It's up here. So you gotta pump the water from below the sink up to here. I went on Amazon and you see there's a pipe going from the bottom of the sink into here. I have it turned off just because I want to show you. But when it fills up, that's an automatic boat bilge pump. So once water goes into it, you hear it draining here. Water's draining. And it's going to empty out that tank. And you'll hear it stop. And now it's empty. And then when you want to just use the sink, the water go in there. Once it fills up to a certain point, it'll turn back on and empty itself out again. It's going to fill up. You'll hear it kick on. So it never gets very full. It always stays maybe to about here and you'll hear it kick on. Oh, you know what? It's because I have it stopped up. Clear that here. There you go. Alright, fill it up a little bit more. So it's been going like this for over a year. So, maybe about a year and a half, and I haven't had any problems with it. So, here it goes. You hear it kick on. So now it's draining again. Draining right into the washer dryer drain. So I put a little filter on the bottom of that pipe, so if anything gets on there, like a little mesh filter, like a hose clamp to a little mesh on it, so no big pieces will get down there on the bottom of this PVC. But yeah, see, it's empty. It's just soap down there. So that's a boat bilge pump. It's almost empty. And so it's automatic. I have it hooked up to this power supply, so it's always giving power, 12 volts. And when it fills up, it just drains on its own. And you know, it was really cheap to make, and it's lasted about a year and a half. And haven't had any problems with it. So just a cheap way to put in a sink with a basement sink with a pump going up.